Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, I would say. I've been, so I just got sick and been trying to recover. So I hate making these videos sounding like a robot like I do probably right now. So yeah, I didn't even want to do like a face cam or anything like that just because I look miserable. But I was like, I need to make some content for you guys. So let's say you guys are balling on a budget, it's New Year's. And you're trying to get a phone for under $100 or at $100, that's all you have to spend for a new phone, then let's look at what boostmobile.com has to offer. And yeah, so remember this offer still is going where you can save an extra 20% off a new Android phone by using the promo code New Year 2020. And speak about promo codes, let's talk about our sponsor Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. I will have that in the description below. Use that link when you make your first purchase. I will get a small commission, so check that out. So now once we scroll down, you'll see that I'll say big savings on phones under $100. So let's see what you can get for $100 through Boost Mobile. Like I said, and you can save an additional 20% off by using this promo code that's valid until the 6th of January. Scroll down, so I actually see, you can't expect much for a phone that's $100 or less. Legacy Go, I would not recommend it. It's $25 plus take an additional 20% off that, but it's a very minimal phone. If you just need calls and maybe text, that's the one to go. It's better than a flip phone, that's for sure. The Go Ride is another decent phone. I do have that phone. I should probably review it, see how it is. $40. It's definitely a bump up from the Legacy Go. Then we get to some decent phones like the LG Tribute Empire. It's decent, but definitely the one that I would say is probably LG Tribute Dynasty is another good phone. $50. So $50. Then you get another. It's like $10 off of it or something like that. With that 20% off. Coolpal Legacy S, I do have that phone. I have reviewed it. It's decent. I'm more of a Samsung guy, so I personally have the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. I use that as one of my phones just to watch, to broadcast my content to my Samsung TV. It's decent. I like it. The battery is okay on it, and it charges pretty okay. And like I said, it is New Year's in less than an hour, so sorry if you hear the background noise. So happy New Year's for that too, guys. At $60, you're definitely getting a better phone, especially because it's Samsung, so you're getting Samsung. But then we're getting to the more close to the 100 range, and as well, the phones are getting a little bit better. So, LG Tribute Royal, it's a good phone. I would recommend that one. If you like Motorola, the Moto E6 is decent. The Galaxy A10e is definitely better than the J3 Achieve, so that's the one I would recommend you to get. If you like I said, it's gonna be definitely in that $100 or less category. That one's definitely good. Coolpal Legacy, that's another phone that I like a lot. That one has a big screen, big batteries, a fast charging. So the camera's not the best on that phone, guys, but definitely for $100 plus you're getting a $20 off discount thanks to that 20% off. So why not? You're getting it for $80. That's definitely what's up. Now, once we get to the iPhones, there is an iPhone here. You're probably thinking, oh, it's only Android. That was going to be on this list. Nope, the iPhone 6s 16GB Premium model does make it if you are an Apple user for right $100. No discounts on it, but still. The Moto G6 Play, another decent phone. Now we're getting to the good ones. The LG Stylus 4, if you like a stylus pen, is the way to go. Because, like I said, you will get it right under $100 thanks to that 20% off discount. Moto G7 Play is another good phone that I have as well, and I personally like it. It is very good. The camera is decent on it, but now we're scrolling down a little bit. Definitely hands down, the best deal is going to be the S8 pre-owned for $180. That's a flagship phone from like 3 years ago, give or take 2 or 3 years ago. At $180, you'll get 20% off. It's above the 100 range that we want, but still, if you can afford the extra couple dollars, then that's the one to go with, especially because Boost Mobile does give you like 90 days to try it out just in case there's something wrong with it. LG Style 5 definitely a getter. Like I said, it is $175. You will get 20% off. It will be a little bit above $100, but those are the best phones to get at that price range. Anything above that, I mean, the Samsung Galaxy A20 is definitely a one to get, or even the iPhones here in this category. I say you are saving 20% off, so it's not probably like close to $30 off of that A20. That one's definitely go ahead and grab it and get it if you like Samsung. And anything above that is just getting too pricey. And like I said, the highest in that price range would probably be the A20 that I would recommend, or the iPhones. So it's definitely A20 or an S8 Pre-owned. The S8 Pre-owned still will beat out most of these phones, just because of, it was a flagship phone and it has really good specs on it. So best out of this one, definitely going to be the S8 Pre-owned, like I said, or the A20 if you want a new phone. But remember, with all these prices, you get an additional 20% off these phones. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know which phone you would be thinking of if you're on a budget, you're trying to get just a phone that's under $100 or less, or if you don't mind spending the extra dollars to get a little bit better phone. So I'm gonna go take a shower, and drink some medicine, and wait till midnight so I can say Happy New Year's and pass out and fall asleep and get ready for the next day. So yeah, more content coming your way in 2020, guys. We'll do a lot more reviews, unboxings. Nothing really stands out right now in the tech industry for me, so I'm waiting for something to come out so I can grab it and review it for you guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Peace.